and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in the kitchen about to try a new fruit. I've never heard of this fruit. My neighbor gave me this fruit and I'm gonna try it. It's called tamarind. Tamarind. So look at it. Looks like a peanut, doesn't it? It's wet because I just washed it off. Remember, you always have to wash your fruit. But look at it. When it was dry, it reminded me of a kiwi because it felt like it had a little fur on it. But it looks like a peanut. But it has medicinal purposes, supposedly. And it's used in a lot of Indian dishes. It's a tropical fruit. But I want to try it. If you've ever heard of it, go down in the comments and tell me what you know about it, because I have never heard of this. So you're supposed to peel it. Let's see. Peel it. See? This is almost like peeling a peanut. Get it out of there. So there it is. And it's supposed to be fleshy, and then there's supposed to be a seed inside. So let's try it. There's actually two seeds. Hold on. There's one. There's two. This is sweet. Now, she told me it was going to be bitter or sour. It's supposed to have a sweet and sour taste to it. I do taste the sour, but these are the little seeds that were in it. It's not bad. I mean, I guess you just sit and eat it like that. Let's see, it was another half of it. Whoops. I have to find out what the medicinal purposes are for it. I don't know what you would use to cook this in. I'm coming to you guys because I've never heard of this and I want some information on this. So if you've ever heard of a tamarind fruit, go down in the comments, let me know what it is, what you do with it. I heard that you can pickle with it, I guess. I'll try it, you know. And you let me know everything there is to know about it. And I'm gonna eat this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.